What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin and what is going on with the inflation news that has turned the tides that possibly can fuel us into a rally entering 2023, as well as all crypto could be trending upwards. All right, so I'm going to get into that later on in this video, but hit that subscribe button. And for now, let's take a quick look at the chart. And as you can see, the Bitcoin rises on encouraging inflation news. So this price action we are seeing is Bitcoin trading above 16.7 level, okay? So up 2% in the past 24 hours, which is even better since Monday with the FTX liquidity crisis and the Chapter 11 bankruptcy news, okay? So now we are hearing that crypto lender BlockFi is also preparing for a potential bankruptcy filing due to its exposure within FTX and with what they had basically into a debt they owed FTX. Okay, so that is going on, and right now we are seeing inflation data that came out with October's numbers. Okay, so that number is trending at 0.2%. All right, when we talk about the wholesale inflation number is a 0.2% increase for the month of October, okay? The consensus estimate was a 0.4% increase, okay? So just that little 0.2% better than expected number is creating a lot of fuel and a lot of buildup, all right? The crypto is ready to run, all right? A lot of Bitcoin, a lot of money is out of the exchanges, right? It's out of the exchanges and it's getting onto the sidelines. People, investors, they're ready to invest back into crypto, back into volatility. There's a lot of people that want to make money, and you're seeing that now with the volume that we are seeing on the charts. There's a lot of money changing hands, all right? However, this money is getting out of exchanges, so people are thinking, well, why are you getting out of exchanges? Are you selling your crypto? I think people are you're seeing the new trend that is going to be mass adopted where money will be kept into decentralized wallets, okay? So everybody's just kind of getting up to date with that trend that we are seeing, so there's no more mistakes that anybody can be made with FTX. I know a lot of people have got burned. A lot of money has been extinguished. It's basically frozen. A lot of capital just is stuck in the FTX debacle, all right? So that is something that really is going to turn the tide moving forward as we see more and more people get into decentralized wallets, okay? So it's going to be interesting to see where BlockFi heads, okay, and how far this FTX contagion can spread into the future, all right? So with that being said, let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart, and you can see on the 1 day, all green, right? So as I noted, it's a almost 2% increase on the day. Bitcoin has been pretty much flat. Like I said, people are just on the sidelines waiting to make moves, all right? And that is just kind of where we stand, all right? So, you know, it is just basically a holding pattern until we get clarity from the Fed, from inflation, from a lot of numbers that have to do with the FTX fallout. How many exchanges are tied up in this ball of wax, okay? So how many people are going to be suffering is kind of just a Q4 question that is to be determined, all right? We're going to possibly see more and more regulation and more scrutiny in more of a vice grip into the crypto sector when it comes from government, all right? So that is something that's going to be important noting as we enter 2023 and we end 2022 Q4, all right? So that's what I want to leave you guys with. Let's keep an eye on the numbers that come out in November. Let's see where the numbers are headed. Let's see the sentiment that the Fed gives us in December, and then we really might be able to see Bitcoin go on a run as we close out 2022. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Hit that subscribe button.